Hello, dear student. I hope you are doing wonderful. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept the invitation to video platform. We use Widget to store our pre-recorded short classes and recorded live classes. In this video, we will accept invitation only to the hub, which will be having only recording live sessions. So again, you just need to go to your Gmail inbox and see and find the letter from info. You are invited to a video hub. Welcome as that batch 27 live classes. If you can't see it in the inbox folder, you can just check spam folder, or again, you can just go to the search bar and type video hub. All right, and you will see it. So you just need to click on the email and you will see this huge blue button. Click here to sign in. So as that batch 27 live classes. What we need to do is to just set the password, and we recommend you to set the same password for all the hubs you will be using. Set password. Then just bookmark the page. You can create a folder, for example, syntax with name of syntax bootcamp, and just bookmark the pages and add them to the folder. All right, done. And the first class, which you will see, is orientation class. And gradually, we will be adding more videos here by the topics you will be going over. So tomorrow's class, Wednesday class, SDLC, will be here under the category of SDLC. Java class will be under the category Java class, Java learning. So all the recorded live classes will be just in this video hub. For pre-recorded short classes, you will be having weekly hubs, and we will send another video guidance on how to accept the invitation to weekly hubs and how the whole process will be working, Canvas and video platform together. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how to accept the invitation to the live classes video hub. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.